Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here today. We're going to be making Insalata di Mare, which is seafood salad. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. I'm going to drop them and put a lid on it and raise the flame. Now I'm going to just cut them in rings like this. Okay, everything is cooked perfectly. I'm going to place the calamari on top of my shrimps. Here's our final product. This platter will serve 4 to 6 people. This is a single serving. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Buon appetit and buon Natale.